Introducing the ET-FDR015, an innovative tactical manual folder known as the Guardsman Eluder, proudly presented by Elite Tactical. The Guardsman Eluder showcases a rapid locking mechanism embedded within the handle. This ensures both a secure and swift blade deployment. Remarkably, once the knife is opened, an extendable handle guard emerges, adding an additional layer of safeguarding and confidence for demanding tasks. The Guardsman Eluder has a D2 steel for longer-lasting edge retention, measuring 4 inches in length, while its handle, spanning 4.75 inches, is crafted from sleek black anodized aluminum with a carbide tip glass breaker and a deep carry pocket clip. To close the knife, pull back the rapid lock, and the blade will disengage from the lock position, and the ball bearing pivot will smoothly guide the blade back into the closed position, while the guard automatically folds back against the handle. The guard also have thumb studs for simple deployment. You can also deploy the blade with the rapid lock. First, pull back the rapid lock to unlock the blade, and quickly flick your wrist outward while releasing the rapid lock at the same time, so the blade will lock into position once it is fully opened. To close the knife, simply position your fingers away from the blade's path, pull in the rapid lock, and with a quick flick of your wrist, the ball bearing pivot smoothly guides the blade back into the closed position, while the guard automatically folds back into the handle, ensuring a secure and hassle-free closure. Whether you're a professional in the field or an everyday carry enthusiast, the Guardsman Eluder is a must-have addition to your tactical gear collection.